Monire Mosa. Tampokelelani. Welcome back to my channel. Chitumbuka na Lorraine. So in this video, we are looking at the 7 W's, the questions, the why, what, how, when, who. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so questions in Chitumbuka, mafumbo. Mafumbo means questions. So in English, which one? We can say in short mba or nchi if it means an object. If you're asking about a person, then you use mba. Like which one? Which brother are you talking about? Mba. Balongos mba. Okay. Or which sister? So you use mba or nchi if it's an object. Okay. The second W is why. Why can be nchifukwa uli. Nchifukwa uli, sometimes we add ka. Nchifukwa uli ka. Means why. Why has that happened? Why is it that way? Why? Or sometimes we can just say chifukwa. Why? Chifukwa. Chifukwa cha vichi, meaning what is the reason behind? So like, but it's in form of why. Why is that? Why has it happened that way? Why? The third one is how. How? Vyenda uli, vie, nda, uli. Yeah. How did that happen? How has this happened? Then the fourth one is when. Paul. When did this happen? When are you going? Muruta Paul. When are you going? Muruta Paul. So when is Paul? Oh, we want to go to Mulanje. Paul, when? When do you want to go? Mukumburuta Paul. Okay, so the fifth one is what? I think it's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. What is you can say matuli, like in where you are asking someone, what did you say? What? Vechi. Yeah, so it's like it can mean you didn't understand what they have said, or it can also mean that you just want them to repeat because it's so unbelievable what they've just said. You say vechi, but the vechi, please. So yeah, yoyan makora, yowoyani makora. Yowoyani means speak. Makora is properly, good, speak well, speak. Yeah. So you're asking someone, what? Can you just say that properly? Say that again, kind of thing. Yeah. Kwawach. Kwawach is also a question. What has happened? Kwawach. What? Vichi. Matuuli. Huh? Matuuli. Okay. Who? That's number 6. Banjani, if you're talking about a person, Banjani. Yeah. Who? Banjani, Ninjani, Njan. So all of these means who. But Banjani, because you're respecting someone. Ninjani, there's no it's like singular or someone who is younger. Vanjani can be plural, but also in form of respect. Va. This is why we say va dada, va mama, va longosi. Va is respect. You add to anything that you want to say. Varoren, va so and so. So you add to every word if you're referring to somebody. Okay, the last W, where? Kochi. Where are you going? Muta kochi. Where are you coming from? Mafuma kochi. Where is the market? Msika uli kochi. So where is Kochi? Kochi. Where is it? Chiri Kochi. Yeah. Where are you rushing to? Mutamangira Kochi. Musamalira Kochi. Okay. So this is it, guys. Let me stop share. And if you haven't watched these videos and there's a playlist here, please do watch so that you can start grasping the language. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope you are enjoying the lessons. Please leave comments below so that I know if you are here. If you have questions or something you don't understand or something you want me to say, to expand, or something, a request that you have, just leave a comment below and then I will respond to you. But I also have one request. Please, if you can subscribe to my channel, or if you learned something in this video, please like the video. That helps with the YouTube algorithm so that YouTube can share it, can push my videos to other people who also wants to learn the language. I am here because you are here. So I want also to see your presence, as in subscribing or leaving a comment or likes. So I know that people are actually interacting with my content. Thank you so much. Bye. Naruta.